I got some exciting good news for y'all. Me and Bitvae decided to team up and collaborate just to show you and my followers and Bitvae's followers how much we appreciate you and following us and giving us your love and support. And also, of course, taking care of your oral hygiene. So that is why we are giving away to one lucky follower and fan a Bitvae cordless FC159 oral irrigator. I have one and it is so good. With my braces, it cleans out everything. The strongest faucet you can imagine. This includes a tip rotator, 2-minute timer, separable reservoir, fully open water tank so you can refill it. 3 modes so you can pick. If it's too strong, you can go low. 5 standard nozzles, tongue cleaning nozzle, because you know tongue causes bad breath and we don't want that. USB cable and an instruction manual. We're not done yet. We also have the reservoir capacity. It's easy to clean and it's waterproof. Lastly, it's rechargeable, so you can use it as many times as your heart and smile desires. The rules and guidelines for the special winner to receive this amazing oral irrigator is pretty simple. All you have to do is be following me and Bitvae. I'm going to tag their accounts down below. Like their posts, like and comment and share on my post, and comment what makes you smile every day. I will be picking the winner within 2 weeks, so today is May 26th. Around June 15th, I will set a reminder and comment down the winner. The more you comment and the more you share with your friends, the more chances you get. So it's pretty easy. All you have to do is follow me on all my social medias, Bitvae's accounts, and like and comment and share with your friends. I forgot to mention that it comes in my favorite color, quartz pink. So if you love pink, you should definitely enter my giveaway. You might be the lucky winner and you will have a beautiful smile on your face. Thank me later.